If you've been wondering how to log into your Temu account for online shopping, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to sign in to your Temu account. First, open the Temu website, or you can also simply download the Temu app. Now, here you can see the profile looking icon. Tap on it. Here click on sign in or register. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login credential, your email address, and simply click on continue and your password. If you don't have an account yet, you can also simply create your account as well. Now if you've registered with a social media account or Google, you can sign in even faster. Simply tap on the respective button like Facebook, Google or Apple ID, and Temu will authenticate you automatically. After entering your login credentials, simply click on continue and sign in. And that's it. That's how you simply log into your Temu account and you're ready to start shopping. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.